The performance of the Airbus ACJ220 truly distinguishes it from every other aircraft in the skies. Let's have a look at what makes this plane a true engineering marvel. The raw speed of the ACJ220 is incredible. At 511 miles per hour, you're not simply moving, you're erasing distance. Consider traveling entire continents in a tenth of the time it takes typical aircraft. This is more than just speed, it's a full redesign of global movement. But speed is just the start. The aircraft's range is equally amazing, with a staggering 4,700 nautical miles without a single refueling stop. To put it into perspective, you could fly non-stop from New York to Tokyo or London to Singapore without breaking a sweat. These aren't simply flights, they're global teleportation experiences that take only a few hours to travel the entire world. With a flight ceiling of 41,000 feet, you'll be soaring above most weather systems, turbulence, and commercial air traffic. At this height, the ride is so smooth that you feel like you're floating on a cloud. Passengers enjoy little turbulence, optimum luxury, and views that most humans never see. The Pratt & Whitney PW1500G geared turbofan engines are nothing less than innovative. These are more than simply engines. They're a technological symphony representing the peak of aerospace engineering. Each engine is a wonder of efficiency, engineered to provide maximum performance with minimal environmental effect. They create substantially lower noise levels than previous generation engines, making the ACJ220 not just a speedy aircraft, but also one that is environmentally friendly. The ACJ220 also excels in terms of fuel efficiency. Traditional jets burn fuel like water, but these sophisticated engines use significantly less fuel every mile. This is not only excellent for your cash, but also for the environment. The lower carbon footprint allows you to travel in utmost luxury while also being environmentally responsible. Cost now. We come to the most important question. How much does ultimate freedom cost? The Airbus ACJ220 is not an impulse buy. It is a purposeful investment that distinguishes the truly wealthy from the merely fortunate. The base price of this flying marvel runs between $55 million and $75 million US dollars. But let's be clear, this is only the beginning. Fully customized models can easily cost over $100 million. We're talking about an asset worth more than most people's whole career salary, a floating castle that represents the pinnacle of success and mobility. But the purchase price is just the tip of the iceberg. Owning an ACJ220 is a complicated financial environment that necessitates a significant financial commitment. The annual operating expenses are astonishing. Crew salaries alone might be in the hundreds of thousands. You'll need a dedicated pilot team, most likely with numerous shift rotations, to ensure 24-hour preparedness. Maintenance is another major price. These aren't your typical aircraft repairs. We're talking about meticulous precision maintenance performed by the world's best aerospace professionals. Expect to pay between $1 million and $3 million each year just to keep your sky castle in top condition. This encompasses everything from routine inspections to prospective component replacements, specialized cleaning, and advanced diagnostics. Fuel expenses are another important concern. Despite the engine's exceptional efficiency, you'll still incur significant charges. Depending on your travel patterns, fuel costs can range from $500,000 to $1 million per year. Each hour of flight consumes thousands of dollars of jet fuel. Then there are the hidden costs that most people overlook: hangar fees, insurance, navigational approvals, and international flying clearance. These accumulate up quickly. A comprehensive insurance package for an aircraft of this quality could potentially cost hundreds of thousands of dollars per year. Charter options are available for those who find outright ownership too cumbersome, but they are not inexpensive. The hourly charter charges range from $8,000 to $16,000. A full-day charter costs between $75,000 and $250,000. These are not just pricing, they are assertions of exclusivity.